Hi friends, and welcome back to my channel. So today is the second half of my Shabby Valentine YouTube hop, where we present to you our projects that are Valentine's Day related with a shabby chic twist. I would like to extend my thanks to the hosts of this YouTube hop, who are Kim Murray, Debbie Adams, and Robyn Pitts, for inviting me to this fun shabby chic Valentine's Day celebration. And remember to check out the rules of the hop in the description area of this video, where I will provide you with the rules to my giveaway and what I'll be giving away along with the hop lineup. Enjoy the video. Alrighty, so thank you for joining us. I am so happy to be here with you good people, and I will be presenting to you a shabby chic mini album. Well, my version of shabby chic. I don't shabby it up too much. I just shabby it to the point in which I say, okay, Sandy, stop. But this is my interpretation of it, and I hope that you like it. And so I've created a mini album, but not from scratch. I do get the Heartfelt Creations 3D flip fold albums because they are so uber affordable. They're like, I get them when they go on sale for like $7 or $8 at the Heartfelt Creations website, and the album is already made for me. All I have to do is just add pages if I feel like it, and the embellishments, and I'm done. So if I was not to do that, it would literally take me months to create a mini album, if not years. And so these Heartfelt Creation mini album bases make it so possible for me to create a mini album. And as a matter of fact, what I am giving away is a $20 gift voucher to the Heartfelt Creations website. And I will also provide you with a link for $20 off your purchase of $40 or more at Heartfelt Creations, and you will find that in the description area to this video. And so, yeah, let's go ahead and move along. So this is my front cover, and as you can see, I love to layer things up. And if you are brand spanking new to my channel, I sure do hope that you subscribe to my channel and you remain subscribed, because as you will see, I whether I'm doing a mini album or a greeting card, I do like to add a lot of layers, multiple layers, and the ladies that inspire me in doing things like this are the ladies from the Netherlands, the ladies from Poland, crafters from Russia. I am an avid fan of those channels, and even though we do not speak the same language, oh my gosh, their work is stunning, literally works of art, and those ladies are the ones who have inspired me and continue to inspire me in creating covers and embellishments such as these. And so what I am loving, what is a passion of mine, is to combine die cuts along with chipboard pieces. And I get my chipboard pieces from Poland, and so yeah, it's a lot of fun. And of course, I do have a lot of trims, whether they be from people who give them to me or I just get them from Hobby Lobby. You know, it's nice to have trims, but I'm not so much of a trim girl, and you will see that evident in my work. I do enjoy more things like chipboard pieces and die cuts, and I do love metals. And so I do try to use metals whenever I do mini albums and cards and whatnot. Not so much the cards, but mini albums. And also, if you're new to my channel, what you will find in other videos is that I love bling. I love to use bling in my work, whether it is a card or a mini album. I always have to put some sort of statement piece right along there. And so it works for me. That's my style, and that is what I love to do. And so on the first page, what I've done here is I've used one of the Heartfelt Creations card creator packs that I got for a really great price. And so I went ahead and I used it in the inside cover of this mini album, and it's just kind of like to give it some form of, you know, something interesting to look at. And so this goes like so. It also folds out like so. Here, let me just, because it is magnetized, so I use strong magnets. And yeah, by the way, I will go ahead and list the items that I have used in this mini album in the description area of this video as well. And I've used tag dies from Heartfelt Creations to make my tag right along here, and it just goes like so. And this applique is from my stash, and so is this. I believe I got this at Amazon. If I find it, I will go ahead and link you to it as well. And so over here we have more trims, and this is just kind of like a pocket that I did here. Oh yes, and by the way, the papers are Mintay. I was forgetting the papers. So this is just a pocket that opens up like so, and like so, and like so. See, this is what I love about these Heartfelt Creation mini albums, is that in the gusset area they give you half an inch room, so which is plenty for you to add pages to your to your pages, to your base pages if you wish, or put some really thick embellishments on there. It's however you want to do it, right? And so on this next page, as you can see, I've used some dies from Heartfelt Creations to just kind of like make this into a stopper for the tags, so that the tags don't fall off when I stand the mini album up. And so again, once again, Mintay papers along with dies from Heartfelt Creations and trims from my stash. And so these open up like so, and like so. And moving along to the next page. Okay, so this beautiful applique, I believe it came from my friend Rosa. She is Rosa's Creative Way right here on YouTube. And so this page opens up like this. Beautiful papers, as you can see. And because I don't like to waste anything if I can, so what you will notice here is that I used one of the cover sheets from the Mintay paper collection to adorn this piece right over here. And so, and these are a couple of collections. Right now they don't come to mind, but I just use whatever is on hand. And so this is what I did over here. Now, but once again, if you're new to my channel, you will notice that I do a ton of cards. I am on the Spellbinders design team, and so I do a lot of cards using their stuff. And sometimes I do donate a lot of what I make to area nursing homes and churches and so forth, but some of the items I do keep. And this was a card, a greeting card, and so what I did was I added some paper over here and to the back of this, because what I've done is I added a magnet. It is a magnetized card. Now this way I can use this card as a booklet on my mini album. And oh yeah, by the way, this is Heartfelt Creations paper right there. And so yeah, that's what I did with this. And these are from, I want to say, Paper Discovery by Olga Direktorenko, I think. I can't remember right now. I'm going to have to look that up. And this as well. And so what I've done over here is kind of like a sideways waterfall. I don't know if that is the right terminology that I'm using for it, but this is what I felt like doing at the time. And so to close this waterfall, what I've done here is added magnets to that card, because there is a magnet over here on this side. And this side, this is going to open up like so. And once again, this is another project that I did for a different design team. I am on the Craft Stash design team as well as the Craft World. I do things for Craft World as well, where I hold monthly giveaways, and I will link you to my Craft World page right down below. And so this is a DT project that I did, and I thought, you know what, since I use Mintay papers, I thought it was a good idea to just go ahead and add it as an embellishment piece right here on my mini album. So that's how that came to be. And over here we have another I want to say pocket page, but not really, because I didn't really leave that much room for there. I guess I can go ahead and add a picture right there, right up on top. And so this opens up like so. See that? It's such a beautiful design. I love these designs. And then this opens up like so. And yeah, I like interactive mini albums, but I really don't do very well in that. I like to use a lot of dies, but because whenever you do use dies in your mini albums, it just takes forever. So so anyways, I do mini albums whenever I can. So another thing that I like to do is if the paper collection branding, or whatever you might want to call it, if it's pretty enough, I'll go ahead and implement it in my mini album. And so that's what I've done here with the Mintay Precious Moments and the Mintay Homemade logo, or I don't know what they're called. And so yeah, I went ahead and made some banners there, and I use dies by Heartfelt Creations to put those right along there. And of course, these are trims from my stash. And this one opens up like so. There you go, so you can see it better. And this one opens up like so. Okay. And we are right down to the very last page. And so I really love this paper. I didn't think it needed anything else other than corners. I went ahead and used my dies, my corner dies from Heartfelt Creations to adorn this page. And over here, basically what I've done here is the same thing that I did along here, in which we just do kind of like a flip fold thing. And so, yeah, this is my last project for this YouTube hop. And to enter in my giveaway, leave me a comment, be a visible subscriber to my YouTube channel, and in your comment down below, go ahead and include the phrase Heartfelt Creations Mini Album. And so, yeah, that is all that you have to do. And so go ahead and visit the next person in the lineup, who is Miss Robyn Pitts. You will find a link to her channel in the description area right underneath this video. Thank you so very much for watching, and good luck in our giveaway. Bye!